Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
Out in Medford, still seeing some hazy sky conditions, but that is going to change as we're seeing high pressure break down and another system is moving in today. But current temperatures right now in Medford, 37 degrees, and we'll be warming up for a mild afternoon. Taking a look out at the big picture though, we're taking a look at that system way out to our west. Now there's a lot of moisture that is moving in along with it. You can see that in that cloud coverage. That'll push in as we're heading throughout the rest of the day, and we can expect our low temperatures tonight to not be as cold as they were this morning, but we'll still expect our temperatures to be a little bit colder as we're heading over east of the Cascades, making it into the 20s over to Lakeview. That is a big difference because we were in the single digits this morning, and again over into our west side valleys. We're not going to be into the 20s tomorrow morning, but we're expecting a lot of rain along with it. So rain starts first along the coast, and it is going to pick up a bit as we head into the overnight hours, especially see these areas of yellow can be heavy at times. Snow begins to pick up late into the night, so tomorrow morning we'll likely see some impacts, but throughout the day is when we're going to see that heavy amounts, especially as we're along the Cascades. Tomorrow morning as well, we're going to see some cold air snow levels closer to about 4,000 feet, so we could see some impacts even as we're heading towards Mount Shasta and over east of the Cascades. It's going to continue as we're heading throughout our day on our Friday, and then pick up again as we head into those overnight hours of our Saturday night, and then we'll see shower activity diminish a bit for our Saturday, but rain does pick up again as we're heading into our Sunday, but we're still trying to work out a bit of that system there for you. But tracking out snow levels throughout the rest of the day, again, as we're dropping into the overnight hours, we'll see them drop to about 4,000 feet. It will rise tomorrow afternoon, close to about 5,000, 5,500. So we'll see some slick travel along the passes, and it's going to drop a bit as we head into the weekend. We'll take another look at those advisories that we do have out. Winter weather advisory east of the Cascades, much of Siskiyou County, and along the passes as well. We have a winter storm warning. So you're not going to want to really head out along the passes. Heavier snow amounts is going to be above 5,000 feet as well. But taking a look at rain, we're expecting about 1 inch to 3 inches of rain as we're heading over towards the coast, and then it's going to be a little bit less as we're heading inland. I know a few of us do have concerns for flooding, but since it has been dry the past few weeks, it's not really going to be too much of a concern with this system, but we're going to have to keep a close eye on it because we're expecting plenty of rain heading into next week. But let's take a look at your 7-day forecast for the coast. Again, it is going to be windy the next few days, and we can expect showers to continue and rain throughout the weekend over into Northern California. Again, it will be windy, seeing gusts up to about 50 miles per hour into the Shasta Valley starting tonight over into the Klamath Basin. Strongest wind gusts are going to be to those higher elevations. Expect some impacts to your weather tomorrow morning, same for the mountains, and finally heading back over into the Rogue Valley. Not as cold tomorrow morning, and we can expect rain throughout the rest of the weekend.